Quick question. What's the best social media platform to grow your transaction coordination business? Is it TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook? Nope. It's actually the one you use, the one you understand well enough to commit to, and the one you show up for consistently. Today we're breaking down the pros and cons of 4 major platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So you can stop stressing over what's the best and start choosing what's realistic for you. Let's go. Here's what I see happen all the time. New TCs start their business and immediately feel the pressure to be everywhere. Instagram Reels, TikToks, Facebook groups, LinkedIn posts, YouTube videos, and suddenly they're creating Canva templates at midnight instead of onboarding that new agent who actually pays them. Sounds familiar? So here's the reality. Social media works when it's consistent, not when it's perfect. Not when you do a content sprint for 3 days and then ghost your audience for 3 weeks. And yes, I know, we all say, well, I could just use ChatGPT and Canva and get a month of content done. Sure, absolutely, but let's be honest. If it were that easy, your Instagram couldn't be a ghost town right now. This is why I always say, choose one platform and commit. Want to know a secret? I don't use Instagram to grow my TC business. I don't even try because I don't understand the platform. So I pick YouTube. Now, this channel isn't focused on agents. It's not where I get my clients, but it's the platform I kinda understand. It's the one I took time to learn, test, and figure out what I could handle. I post here every week, and let me tell you, it's not easy. There are weeks I'm exhausted. There are weeks I have nothing to say. And there are weeks I seriously consider quitting. But I made a commitment, and that's why it works. So don't choose what's trending. Choose what you are willing to learn, stick with, and actually do. Speaking of things that actually work, if you're serious about launching your TC business and want to skip the endless Googling, check out my free webinar, 3 Principles to Launch Your TC Business Without Endless Research. I will drop the link below. So let's break down the platforms, starting with Facebook. So the pros that I see, at least, that's my opinion, it's still where most Asians hang out, especially the 35 plus crowd. Facebook groups can be powerful for networking and referrals. Personal profiles, not just pages, can help you stay visible to your local community. Now, for the cons, I have to say that organic reach is way down on business pages. You have to comment, like, post, not just schedule and disappear. It's easy to get distracted and scroll instead of sell. Now, in my opinion, Facebook is best for relationship builders if you like interacting in groups or posting value on your profile. Facebook can help you stay top of mind, pretty much. Now, let's discuss Instagram. What I see is that Instagram is great for branding. You can visually showcase your workflow, checklist, behind the scenes, content, and this type of things. Reels equal reach, and Instagram wants to push video. Now, Asians love polished content, just listed posts, closing day graphics, client wins. But the cons is it's visually heavy, of course, which means you'll need consistent graphics and video. And the algorithm can feel sometimes like a mystery. Remember I told you that I can't understand that platform? Well, you'll need to commit to stories, reels, and feed posts to real traction. In my opinion, this is best for creative TCs. So if you love visuals, like to share your workspace or enjoy quick video tips, Instagram could be your zone. And if these help you so far, give that like button some love. It's free. Now let's talk about TikTok. The pros that I see is that it's a massive organic reach potential, even with a very small account. The raw content performs really well, so there is no need for fancy editing. And Asians, especially newer or younger ones, are using it to vent, learn, and connect, so don't miss out. Now, for the cons, I think that it's a very fast-paced and trend-driven. So you will need to be comfortable talking on camera. In my opinion, TikTok is best for bold TCs who don't mind experimenting, and if you've got a little sass, love to teach, and can handle quick and done over perfect, TikTok might be magic for you. Now let's move to LinkedIn. For the pros that I see is this platform is use a highly professional tone and is perfect for B2B, business to business. It's great for positioning yourself as an expert. You can connect with brokerages, coaches, and even recruiters looking for TC support. Now for the cons, it's slower to build traction. People expect value, not memes or trends, of course. And you will need to write posts that educate, not just promote. And in my opinion, LinkedIn is best for strategic networkers. If you are targeting brokerages or want to see an industry authority, LinkedIn can help build long-term credibility. Now, if you're an introvert and you are just having a little bit of anxiety over everything I said about content, cameras, and things like that, no worries, I got you covered. For low-pressure tactics that work great for introverts, click this video right here.